I am Laneha Chansu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am doing Stray Kids Circus MV inspired makeup, mainly focusing on Hyunjin and Felix's makeup. I love Stray Kids so much. Who is your boys in Stray Kids? Mine are Hyunjin and Felix. I'm applying Cosrx Lip Plump so my small lips look plump and moisturized. I have already done my skincare using Laneige Skin Refiner Moisture and Nivea's Aloe and Hydration Lotion. Now, I'll apply Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum as my primer since the skincare has seeped into my skin. This serum is rich in so much silicone that it creates smooth canvas for the makeup to stick on. If you want to know how I prep my skin before makeup, then do refer to my detailed skin prep video, which you can find in the description box below. After the primer, I cover my dark circles with Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Cream Powder Foundation 03 Medium Beige. Then I blend it using my fingers. Then I use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in 120 on all my blemishes to lighten it up a bit. Since Hyunjin and Felix have perfect skin, now using a puff, I'm going to blend everything. Now, I'm going to apply Clio Kill Cover Glow Cushion Foundation in shade Sand for a flawless look. This cushion has a semi-matte finish which I find better for a Stray Kids makeup. Blending foundation properly is key to Korean makeup because only then my foundation will look similar to skin. Now I am applying a beige eyeshadow on my entire eyelid with a fluffy brush using Makeup Revolution Megastar Diamond Edition Palette's shade Glass. And I'm gonna apply whatever is left on the brush under my eye. Now I'm taking a light brown eyeshadow from Romance Dry Apple Blossom and applying it over half of my eyelid with a blending brush. And then I am applying whatever is left on the brush under my eye. Now I am applying a pastel pink shade with a flat brush and I am going to apply it over my eyelid with gentle motions. I loaded my brush with the same shade and applied it under my eye. I am also connecting my shadow from the outer corners as Hyunjin and Felix had. Now I am taking a grey-brown contour shade and applying it almost near to my lower lash line so my eyes look deep as Felix's. Now I'm going to apply a dark brown eyeshadow over my crease because Hyunjin had a prominent eye crease. Now I'm using a Focular gel eyeliner pencil and applying it as an eyeliner only over my lash line. I will also tight line my upper lash line with this. This pencil is really good. it doesn't smudge or come off easily even if I sweat. Now I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow from my Moonshot palette and smudging the eyeliner I just applied. This technique helps blend the uneven edges. Then I filled my eyebrows with Tony Moly Lovely Eyebrow Pencil. If you want to see detail how I fill in my eyebrows, then refer to the video in cards or description box below. Now using a pen eyeliner, I'll draw Hyunjin's slit on my face. I was so disappointed with this eyeliner because I just opened it and it was dry. Now, I'll knead the slit using my foundation puff. Now, I'll create the slit under Hyunjin's eye on my eye. It was so hard to make this slit because of this dry eyeliner. Just don't buy this eyeliner of theirs. Also, make sure that both the slits are parallel to each other. After making the Hyunjin slit on my face, now I'm going to do another eye inspired by Felix. First of all, I'm going to apply chunky glitter near my lower lash line as Felix had. Then, I'm using Holika Holika silver glitter and making Felix's teardrop with it. Now, I am going to apply 3CE's All-Rounder highlighter because it is white, which gives a natural look. Now, I'm going to contour my nose and face for a more chiseled look than I have right now. I have a rounder face, so yeah. I have a rounder face, so I am going to apply a pastel pink blush to push back my cheeks a little bit more. Now I am applying a peach colored tint on my lips to give them a moist look like Felix. And I am done. What do you guys think about this look, guys? And do you have any requests? Do let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.